Sneaker culture extends far beyond resale prices or popularity charts, proving a shoe's true influence when its names, codes, and styles surpass original designs and embed themselves into broader fashion. A prime example is the Black Cat label, which began with Jordans but eventually touched brands like New Balance. While Nigel Sylvester's Jordan 4 Brick by Brick captures 2025 spotlight, the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated remains a lasting benchmark, fueling Olive-inspired releases for years. That influence surfaces again in the Jordan MVP 92 Medium Olive, a general release that cleverly merges cues from icons like the Air Jordan 7 and 8. Its nubuck overlays, subtle red detailing, and $145 price point emphasize both heritage and accessibility. Together, these examples reveal how sneaker storytelling works. Classic designs ripple through new creations, shaping not only sneakers but also their place in mainstream culture.